reminiscence of the old stagecoach, the Pony Express. A lot of cool stuff to see out here. There's a Highway 50 heading to Austin, Nevada. So this building here, or this complex here, is called Telegraph. Not really sure. They got everything blocked off, so you can't really see anything. You can't really go in and look. That's the hard part. That's a bummer, but anyways, if you're not here on Highway 50, you can stop and see the remnants of Pony Express, and this is it. Check out these crickets. Oh shit, look at them now. Whoa, look at them go. I would just burn them. Look at that. So weird. We just got off Highway 50, heading to Austin on the Pony Express. Now we're back on the dirt road, and we're going to be cutting into the mountains. We did stop at Cold Springs for a drink, spice cream, some hors d'oeuvres, and talk to the locals to find out what's going on around here. And they told us that the trail we're going to be taking has been washed out, and I won't be able to get up the mountain. So naturally, let's go see how washed out is it. 50 miles outside of Austin, so that's not a big deal. I've got probably over 200 miles on my fuel, so I have plenty of fuel to play around and see what's really going on. Probably a ton of mosquitoes at night, wouldn't doubt it. So this is all old farmland. Someone used to live out here. Let's check this out. Look at this old house. Super cool. Oh, here's water. Oh wow. Wow. through here.
God, it's a water crossing. I don't know if Wes is going to be able to do a crossing, dude. Wes, you got to turn around.
Oh yeah.
He's stuck. Dog okay? Your dog looks scared. There's a here. Right up on the left.
Anytime you go through a gate, you gotta shut it because you don't want the cattle going out. The cattle are stupid. All right, so here's the first house. Stop and check it out. Okay, so here's someone's house. Old farmhouse. Someone used to live out here. Look at that. Look who we got there. We got the little thunder and lightning. Here's Wesley. He's gonna get in my way of my video. Oh, hey Wes. Sorry. Didn't mean to get in your way. So this is
that lives in this house.
Huh?
Oh my God, there's the vagrant that's been living in this house.
Oh yeah.
Right there. There's his mattress.
Oh yeah. It has got some built-in cabinetry work. It's really not that bad. We could probably make it. Okay, here we go. Pony Express.
That's I think you're losing it.
So the last time I came through here, this was all mud.
I tell you, it's like keeping track of a little.
And actually, it's really not bad today. It's pretty cool. So far, it's pretty easy, Harvey. So the riders still had to ride through this. This is actually pretty nice over here. I like this part of the Pony Express. Lots of quail. Lots of chipmunks running around. To the right is a massive swamp. There's probably tons of mosquitoes over here. Oh, mile marker.
Temps finally dropping, 92.
Yeah, it's a little rutted, not bad. To the right, James, to the right.
Right at the right.
You guys want to play in the water? Oh yeah, this is where the guy was talking about that's rutted. We can probably make it through that.
Okay, Ron.
Feel my photo?
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you, don't go at it at an angle.
Nah, I tried to go straight, but it's kind of a weird angle. That's the rut the guy was talking about. You don't have to go the way I went. You can go to the straight to the right. I just wanted to see how hard it was.
Yeah, you gotta show you can wear the shirt.
Don't be a pussy. If you guys go to the right, go slow. Don't roll over. Wasn't that
I
bad.
gotta disconnect my sway bar.
That was pretty easy. Wasn't that hard? Ah, it's finally cooling down. 90 degrees now. 6,000 feet. Wow, look at the mountains.
Rob, you got extra gas, right?
Me?
Rob.
Rob does. He's got an extra 8 or 9 gallons.
Just making sure he fills it up, because sometimes he's stupid. Check out that cave up there on the left. That looks like someone's house.
Oh, yeah. trees. Last time I came through here,
We heard my little creek.
they were all changing color. Not this year.
Do we need a snorkel?
All right, here I come, James. Coming down the trail. Let me know if you have anything big enough for 6 people.
You gonna follow me? Because this is a donkey trail, dude.
Well, do you want me to stay back here?
I haven't seen anything open up yet. Back there seems better, but I mean, I'm quite a ways down.
Yeah, everybody's following you, by the way.
Nice.
Yeah, just pick a spot. Anywhere is good as long as it's level. I don't really care. If it's going to be next to the creek, which is cool, but you're probably going to have mosquitoes.
Did you hear me? I can't follow you through those trees. We're just to find a spot out here. Okay, Jim's saying you can't follow us through the trees. Well, why don't you just find a place back there? I'm just doing some exploring up here.
Whoa, fuck. That was weird. All right, we'll do.
Come up. Yeah, you come up.
Let me see where Jim is.
Yeah, this kind of sucks. I'm heading back to where we started.
Oh,
Oh, I see Jim's vehicle there. Are you going to be able to turn around?
oh yeah.
Yeah, I can turn around where I am here, I think.
I'd say let's go back to where we were. It's a lot more open area.
We got to go back to where we started by the creek there. That's it.
Jeep.
You want to go to the Jeep? I heard Jeep. Oh,
Come on.
do you want to go to the Jeep? Let's go to the Jeep. Ooh.
Take me to the Jeep, Daddy. Oh, I lick your balls.
Oh, ooh, you want to go to the Jeep, don't you? You want to go to the Jeep?
What do you want? You want Jeep? Want Jeep? Come here. Come here. Come on. Jeep. What kind of Jeep?
He doesn't like you.
Want a
knows-
cookie?
He knows I'm his master.
Gator.